the pitter patter of the rain on the lake as I visit this place once again. I was here a few weeks ago and posted one of the videos. Here I am on the day of Eid, and Eid Mubarak to all of you. Such a splendid morning. It rained last night, rained early in the morning today. This is Calcutta and Kolkata as we call it right now, and this is the Ravindra Sarovar Lake, and it's a holiday today here, and it's such blissful serenity all around. If you would have come in the morning, this is about 11 o'clock now, and if you would have come in the morning, we would have seen the rush of people, the morning joggers who've completed their run. It's later during the day now, and I think the rowing is stopped today. Maybe it's a holiday, but such beauty all around, and really awestruck. Let me see if I can see any fish in the water. No fish. Phew, breathtaking view. I've grown up here, spent 30 years of my life here at this place. As I come back now often, I make it a point to visit this place. Wherever I am in Kolkata, I make it a point to come here, definitely. So this is the Sterling Waters. So there's my cousin running. He's a marathoner. He's completing his daily quota of 5 kilometers. And I'm sure you guys are enjoying what you're seeing, what you're watching. Wanted to share this with all of you, boys and girls watching this. This is absolute bliss. If you are in Kolkata, don't miss this opportunity to come and just walk in this stretch. It starts from Gol Park and goes right till South Kolkata. Fields all around, lake. You can cross the lake from one side to the other. There's a bridge. If you just sit down here, just doing nothing, this is heavenly. I've experienced it. I'm experiencing it myself again. And believe me when I say this is nothing like what you imagine. It's a busy life out on the other side on the streets, just like any other cities. Cars and honking and traffic and school and colleges and office. But here it is another world. Walk with me as I take you to this journey, through this journey of trees and nature and greens and lake and ducks and swans, islands, jogging tracks, beautiful flowers. Oops, what a tree. This seems to be a very, very old banyan. Not much of a tree watcher myself, but can't help but marvel. Let's try a Tarzan. Let me try a Tarzan stunt. Oh no, this is too strong. Oops, no. I'm not much of a runner. I don't like to run. Just walking good for me. But I'm running right now. Just to cover more ground. So this is Shaukat Mukherjee wishing all of you Eid Mubarak from my birthplace, the place where I was born and brought up, Kolkata. I'm so proud that we have so much of beautiful nature all around us. Parks are lovely, grass is green, very, very well maintained, and a lovely, lovely time just starting to close from where I live, where I stay. Not live, I live in Mumbai right now, and but I come here often, and this is on my starting list, something I do every morning. If you love this place, you can give your feedback and ping me at shaukat1971@gmail.com. SHOUKAT 1971 at gmail.com. Come across something, just hold on. This seems some kind of temple. It was not there last time when I came. I mean, I'm coming here after many years. What is this? Whoa, it's a Durga idol. It's one of the most famous things that you can see in Kolkata. The Durga Puja is the most celebrated festival of Hindus, especially Bengalis here. We've all seen the 7 wonders of the world. I always tell people, make some time and come here at least once in your lifetime to see the Durga Puja. See the marvel of how Durga is epitomized. So let me go. I'll show you this. This is very good. This is the idol in the middle of the park. So what you see, for people who are not so much aware of what Durga Puja is, this is the Ma Durga. This is the epitome of power and strength and womanhood. And she is vanquishing and killing the evil. That is the Mahishasura. Okay? And with all the gods and goddesses around her, giving her strength, giving her various types of weapons. And the Mahishasura, and she's riding on the lion. Oof. What a place. I can't stop marveling at this. Some of you may not watch this video till the end because it's quite a long one. And what's this? Looks like the Eiffel Tower. Just giving you a free guided tour. The city of Kolkata, one of the best places in Kolkata is actually. So this is another temple. I'm just taking a walk. So I'm going to ask him what this place is in Bengali. So I'll translate this for you. I'm going to ask him, what is this place? Dada, জায়গাটা কি? এটা আর্ট গ্যালারি। আর্ট গ্যালারি। আচ্ছা। Closed আজকে বন্ধ? এটা বন্ধ বলতে এখন ওপেন। Oh, so this, he says it's not yet open, but this is supposed to be an art gallery. You can see the frescoes. Oops. Really traditional. So this is a place in India where the culture actually overflows. It's not only a cultural place, but culture is overflowing from all sides. So we are in the middle of the art and culture capital of India, the cultural capital of India. Ooh.